If you're exploring career opportunities in investment banking, you have probably heard about front office and middle office roles. These roles usually get all the spotlight, client interaction, big deals, even risk management. But today, my dear friends, I'm going to be talking about a team that actually works quietly yet powerfully behind the scenes. I'm talking about the back office team. Now, you might be thinking, what exactly does the back office team do? And why should even I consider it as a serious career option? That's exactly why I'm here to break down all the details today. We'll talk about how the back office functions, what are the roles available, what are the skill sets that you need, and how you can start your career here. So let's begin without any delay. In simple terms, the back office is the operational core of the investment bank. Now, front office is the one which brings the deal. Middle office is the one which manages and does all the risk and compliances. But the back office team, it makes sure that everything is getting executed properly, on time, and even without error. For example, they do trade settlement, data reconciliation, even record maintenance, and lot of reporting to the senior management. Everything runs through them. They are the backbone of the company. Let's imagine this. There's a trader who has executed a multi-million-dollar trade with high pressure and fast execution. But once the trade is done, someone has to confirm the details, match the counterparty, process the payment, update the record, and even report the transaction without even with a single mistake. That's what the back office team does. They may not face the client directly, but they protect the bank's credibility. And today, the back office roles are no longer even clerical. They are mostly driven through technology. They are also data intensive and process critical. We have teams which manage trade settlement, corporate actions, even regulatory reporting, MIS dashboards, and system reconciliation. They manage huge volumes of data, and they look at client information, KYC documents, even transaction histories, so that when you have audit and compliance, they run smoothly. Here's the truth about the back office. If the back office team fails, the entire bank will feel the impact. That's why bank values professionals who brings accuracy, speed, and even accountability. Now let's talk about the core skill set, because if you want to join this team, what are the core skill set that you would need? First, your understanding about the finance basic has to be very good. You should be very clear about the entire trade life cycle for derivatives and also for equity. When we talk about these skills, it also talks about Excel, not just the basic formulas. You should be well versed with pivot tables. How do you create reports? How do you create dashboards and reconciliation? Third, communication skills. You will have to interact with both the front office and the middle office team, and also the tech teams. So that's why this is one of the important skill set. Further, you need to have attention to detail. One small mismatch can lead to big financial loss for the organization. Now, do you need coding for these roles? Not necessarily, but yes, if you have basic knowledge about, say, Power BI, SQL, even Tally, everything can bring an edge in your job. Especially in reporting and automation focused roles, it is very important. Now, how do you start your journey? Here's the good news. Back office roles are often the most accessible entry point for anybody into the investment banking domain. You don't need a very high MBA degree. You don't even need any degree from Ivy colleges. You just need clarity, consistency, and obviously a good level of commitment. Start with the basics of finance. Take some practical course on trade processing, reconciliation, regulatory reporting. Then apply for any internship in a boutique investment bank. Not just big, but also look at NBFCs, outsourcing firms like Genpact, MNCs, where there is back office roles available. Now, these roles may not just look glamorous, but yes, they will build powerful transferable skill set which you can use in your future. And guys, here's something very important. Back office is not a dead end. Many professionals, they start their journey from back office and then they move towards middle office, operational leadership roles, and even digital transformation roles. And obviously, in today's data-driven banking systems, these teams are very valuable than ever. So if you enjoy working with systems, solving operational puzzles, building reports, and making sure everything runs properly, then my dear friends, back office could be perfect for you. It may not give you very flashy titles from day one, but yes, it will build the strongest foundation for a stable, long-term, high-growth finance career. And that's it for today, guys. If this gives you a new perspective, then definitely drop your question in the comment section. I'll personally address that. And yes, like, share, and subscribe to our channel so that someone sitting out in there could also benefit from our videos in their financial. And I will see you in the next video.